Thank you so much. I'm not prepared, but I feel like I have so much to say, especially after what Juliana has spoke about, because this is a very special moment and it's very personal. Because 8 months back, when Ajit sir, the owner of Miss South India, Pegasus team, he's asked me, Archana, if you're interested. He's asked me the same question 1 year back also, but I was never confident because I was just a groomer. All I know was to groom girls, all I know was to help girls be the better version of themselves in terms of communication. Because, prepping girls for question answer is what I love to do the most. But I was not confident. But last year I got an opportunity and a chance to be a groomer, be a choreographer. And I was also in the backstage handling pageants, and that's when I learned how to do pageants. And then I told sir, I'll take it up. And from there till now, I really can't believe it's been 8 months, Dilsha. When I wanted to do this, like I have one mindset. If I take up something, I will only make it the best. Otherwise, I won't do anything. And I wanted to genuinely make a change in the pageant industry. Why? Because when I went for Miss Diva, after the competition, I rightfully asked the organization what has happened. Why was I not selected? And they told me, Archana, you're a typical South Indian. You know what? Next time you should do a nose job and come. And then when I went to Miss India also, nothing much happened. There were better contestants than me. But every time I went for different pageants, I really understood the kind of standards that they have. Every time you walk into a pageant, the organizers will definitely comment you and they have a certain notion or perception of their beauty. Probably the organizer might want a very skinny girl with tall legs and best features, and that is our girl that we want to represent. And I personally felt it's not fair to do that. And that is one motive or a vision I had when I took over this. And honestly, taking this pageant was really challenging because nobody believed in me except my best friend Dilsha and Juliana. Because everybody told me, Archana, don't take up this pageant. And I honestly say, I did not even have the financial backup to take this pageant. I mean, if a lot of people ask me, if this goes wrong, do you have the financial capacity to, do stuff smooth? I'm like, no. Then what is your guarantee? I'm like, God is there. And girls, today is the first day of Navaratri, and it is a coincidence. I am a huge bhakta of Kali. And honestly, it was never pre-planned, but it somehow happened. And the kind of journey that we've had for 6 months, trust me, there were moments when we did not even have a minimum bank balance. And from there, we approached Joe Salukas. And from Joe Salukas to girls, these amazing sponsors. I think we have more than 15 sponsors. And just 3 days back, Garden Bareilly came on board. So Garden Bareilly is a brand that's been running in Surat for the past 50 years and they're like top notch. So with God's grace, with a lot of positivity from everybody, we were able to pull this up. And I have so much to talk, but probably next time. But the only thing I want to say is, a lot of people are going to come and tell you, you can't do it. You can do it. But you need to have that obsession over this. And I've been very obsessed about pageants. I've watched Shweta grow up as a contestant to a groomer, and when I wanted a groomer, I could have gone for the big names, but I wanted somebody who's extremely obsessed about pageants. And Shweta is an encyclopedia about pageants. You ask her about anything and everything about pageants, she knows. And Shweta, I have to say, it's incredible watching you transform from, I think, COVID time. From COVID, that was the first time I took an online session, and I've been seeing her a lot, and I'm very, very proud of you. And trust me, in the next 5 years, Shweta is going to be one of the biggest names in the grooming sector. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And because of her, for us, the job is very easy because everything Shweta knows. Everything Shweta will say. If you want a reference, Shweta will be like, 1985, this girl wore this gown. So you do that. That is the kind of knowledge she has about pageants. And even while Juliana, I'm sure you have seen the baby bump. She's 5 months pregnant. many times when I can't even get up from the bed and I feel so lazy to do things, Juliana is always like this, what next? And honestly, from Juliana, I've learned a lot. I used to be this person who keeps everything the next day. But Juliana is this person who has to make things happen the same day itself. And she has a schedule. And from her, I've learned that. And so many times when I feel like, no, I have my own mood swings or things like that, I'll be like, she is 5 months pregnant and she is running around. Archana, what is your excuse? And also Dilsha. She's my best friend from college. She's there. We're not this friends who call every time, hi, how are you, nothing like that. We hardly meet. But last year she came up randomly and said, Archana, I think we should do something together. We should do a business. And she's a killer in logistics and accounts. She's working as an HR. And I happened to meet Juliana through Dilsha because we both were her bridesmaid. And now when I think about it, it's all destiny. It's like we came in a full circle. And I am so happy to have the best team. Every strategy behind this pageant was by Juliana. Every financial logistic is by Dilsha. And all I know was my knowledge about pageants and how to make the pageant best. So over here, this sashing ceremony, I must say, in the history of Miss South India, this is the first time we are having a sashing ceremony and a gala dinner night. And tonight, this is history and you girls are holding the pen of it. And I don't know honestly who's going to win it, but you've seen how Sindha is and the kind of her speech and what motivates her. And I'm so happy to see all the incredible girls here. I know a lot of you have gone through a lot to come here. I know a lot of girls personally who has had financial issues and has tried so hard. But trust me girls, this is just your beginning and from here onwards your career is going to start. And the sash that you're going to wear today, a lot of girls really wanted to wear that. And you're getting the opportunity. And I always dreamt of being a Miss Universe or a Miss World or somebody like that. And later on in my life, right now, I've understood that my destiny is to write your destiny. So that is why we're all here. And I really hope 13 days, it is going to be extremely tremendous and transformative. From next day onwards, it's going to be really hectic. But we're all waiting to see you girls in Sash. We have made the Sash with the most love and respect and commitment and passion, and girls, we're obsessed about pageants. And we're only going to deliver the best. Now, I think we'll move with the session ceremony, otherwise we'll keep on talking a lot. But thank you so much, Sindha, for coming here. It's so incredible to see you also transform, just like Shweta said. And I think we'll move on with our session ceremony.